Hi, in this video we'll show you how to configure Skyhigh CASB for Google Drive. First, log into the Skyhigh admin console and go to the service management page. Then click the Add Service Instance button and select Google Drive for your service. At the bottom of the page you'll have to give a unique name to this instance of Google Drive and then click Done. You'll see your new Google Drive instance on the page. Click Enable for API and then click Next. Click the Provide API Credentials button and then you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. You'll see a list of permissions that are being delegated to Skyhigh. Click the Allow button to grant those permissions. Now you'll see that the API is enabled, and if you go to the Overview tab you'll see a list of green lights indicating the API is working. Now we're switching to Google Drive. We're logged into the same tenant that we just enabled for API protection. Let's review some of the files that we have stored here. In this file you'll see sensitive information including account numbers, driver's license numbers, first and last names, email addresses, and even passwords. This spreadsheet has similar information but also has social security numbers stored in it. Now let's see how we can identify and prevent the sensitive information from appearing in Google Drive. We go back to the Skyhigh admin console and go to DLP policy. You'll see we have two policies here for Google Drive. The first one is looking for a PCI classification, and if we see a match we create a critical incident and then we delete the file and send an email notification to the user. The second one is looking for general PII information and we'll create a major severity incident and delete the file as well. Now we go to the on-demand scan page and we're going to create a scan of all the content inside of Google Drive. We select DLP and malware scan, assign a name to this scan, and then select our Google Drive instance that we just enabled. On the next page we select the two DLP policies we want to scan for, and then we scope the scan to run for all data, all dates, not just files that are externally shared, and for all users. You can select a frequency, but we're not going to do that because this is going to be a one-time historical scan of all data. After saving, we click on our new scan, and then we click Run Scan Now. This will take some time as the Skyhigh CASB goes through our Google Drive tenant and scans every file. When the scan is complete, we see there were 17 incidents discovered. If we switch to our Google Drive tenant and go back to review those files we just looked at, you can see they've all been replaced with a tombstone file, indicating that the file's been deleted. Not only have we done a historical scan, but now we're applying near real-time scanning to our tenant as well. So if we take the same file that had the same sensitive data and try to copy it up to Google Drive again, within a matter of seconds, the Skyhigh CASB should be able to see that file, scan it, and then remediate it just as we did with the on-demand scan. Going back to the Skyhigh admin console, we're going to go to the Incidents Manager, where we'll see a record of every file that violated policy and what happened. This is a robust, fully featured incident management platform where you can assign incidents to security team members, track status, make notes, and even take remediation actions right out of the console. Match highlight data provides instant visibility into the offending content within the file itself. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you want to learn more, go to skyhighsecurity.com.